Streetfighte V4 is the natural evolution of the family that pushes the concepts of the fight formula even further. The key elements of which are the Panigale V4 stripped of the fairings, high and wide handlebars, 178 kg weight, 208 horsepower Desmosedici Stradale engine, biplane wings and latest generation electronic package. An evolution that follows that of the Panigale V4 family. The Streetfighte V4 is equipped with the 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale engine. In this Euro 5 configuration, the 90 degrees V4 delivers 208 horsepower, 153 kilowatts at 13,000 revolutions per minute. A high level of power for a naked, unrivaled in the segment, and consistent with the crazy and exaggerated image that is typical of the Ducati Streetfighte V4. The maximum torque value of 123 Nm, 12.5 kgm, at 9,500 revolutions per minute is virtually unchanged compared to the Panigale V4. A dedicated engine control map allows you to safely exploit the performance of the Streetfighte V4 in road use, which with the 2023 model benefits from all the updates introduced on the Panigale V4 starting in 2022. In addition, on the right side there is the clutch cover of the Panigale V4, which allows you to easily mount the dry clutch and the clutch cover protection. The Streetfighte V4 uses the same advanced full TFT 5 inches color high-resolution instrument as the Panigale V4, with the virtual circular tachometer as the dominant element of the dashboard on the right side. The graphics are revised in all views, to make all information simpler and more descriptive and help the enthusiast in the calibration of all the adjustable parameters. The new Streetfighte V4 is created to amplify the emotions of the rider by making him or her feel protagonist in every ride on the road. An unrivaled naked bike, modern and technological, with a powerful and exciting design, which does nothing to hide its performance, and which has met with great success from the general public and critics. The bike conveys sportiness right from the first glance, with the single-seat configuration due to the presence, in the standard equipment, of the passenger seat cover that can be replaced with the saddle and footpegs supplied as is the case on the new Panigale V4. The tank, evolved in shape and with greater capacity, 16.5 kilograms, is embraced by new side covers that support the wings. The aerodynamic development was carried out entirely with CFD, computational fluid dynamics, simulations using a calculation method that involves stationary simulations of the motion and pressure fields with the aim of increasing the vertical force on the vehicle, in particular on the front wheel. The effect of the introduction of the aerodynamic appendages is 28 kilograms of downforce at 270 kilometers per hour. Of which 20 kilograms on the front wheel and 8 kilograms on the rear wheel. The wings also give benefits in terms of heat loss by increasing the speed of passage through the water and oil radiators, respectively by +2% and +10%. The DQS Evo 2 with up-down function, developed for the Panigale V4, uses the information on the lean angle to maximize the stability of the bike during the shifting phase when cornering. The S version is equipped with event-based Öhlins suspension with electronic control, based on the second-generation Öhlins Smart EC. The Streetfighte V4 confirms the chassis scheme involving front frame and single-sided swingarm, both made of aluminum, with upside-down fork and mechanically adjustable Sachs shock absorber on the V4 version, while the Streetfighte V4S relies on Öhlins semi-active suspension with SmartEC 2.0 interface. The Streetfighte V4 design immediately conveys its mission. A message represented by the minimalist design of the full LED headlamp that recalls the front of the Panigale V4 but evokes the expression of the Joker, the declared inspiration for the Centro-style Ducati in creating this naked bike from Borgo Panigale. While the Streetfighte V4 is fitted with cast aluminium wheels with a 5-spoke design, the V4S version is equipped with Marcassini 3-spoke forged aluminium alloy wheels. The rims are fitted with Pirelli Diablo Rosso Casa IV tires, which combine track performance with versatility on the road, in sizes 120/70 ZR17 for the front and 260 ZR17 for the rear. Power and torque can grow further to 220 horsepower and 130 Nm respectively by fitting the Ducati Performance by Akrapovic full racing exhaust, which also reduces weight by -6 kg.